Okay, this will be a quick install video for the Ring outdoor cover. And first, I'm going to show you, this is the magnet side, and I didn't make a cover for it because it's just a magnet and there's nothing that can get damaged, but I will show you really quickly how I find it a little easier to take apart so that you can mount it easier. So I just like to hold like this, grab a small screwdriver that fits in that hole, and then just, yeah, push that way, and then it will just pop out. So then you can mount it and put the cover back on. And if you wanted a different color, I would just recommend painting it. So that's that. I'll put that aside now. This is the cover here. When you get it in the mail, it may be a little tight to pop out. And if it is, I have this little notch here that you can then use a screwdriver and just kind of pop it open. Okay, so you'll just take this side over here. And obviously I'm turning this to get a better angle for the camera, but you wouldn't be able to turn a fence post. And I've drilled this a few times, but you want to get it just below the brim of the screw hole. And the reason for that is that's kind of the locking mechanism. If you see right here, there's these two portions that protrude out, and they go into the screw holes. So once you've got that, you can just simply take this. If this is the side of the door, the post, then you would turn it this way. If it was on the other side, you would turn it this way. The magnetic reed switch is on this side. So you just slide this in there, and then take the cover and slide it over. There we go. And once it's on there, it's pretty snug, but you can pop it off when you need to change the batteries. Now, I would not say that this is 100% waterproof. This is basically just going off of simple physics as to how water needs to adhere to gravity. But there is a chance that water could get in here. I'm not going to say that it's foolproof. And I have heard suggestions of wrapping sensors in saran wrap. Now the problem with doing it regularly, like you could just wrap something in saran wrap and then stick it outside, but the problem is how do you mount it at that point? Do you just like stick it up with duct tape? Well, with this solution, you leave this back on, you can wrap this, and it would just be in a couple thin layers, folding it over. Okay. And now we've got something that's wrapped nice, and stick it in the same hole there and lock it into place. And now I'm a lot more confident in that. And when you have to change the batteries, you can still, it does get kind of stuck in there. You gotta, there we go. But then when you change the batteries, it'll be a lot easier than having to pop other stuff off. So that's pretty much it. If anybody has any questions, let me know. And hopefully this helps some people understand how this works. All right, bye.